Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If Shift Lock is missing in Roblox and you want to enable it, you can fix this directly from the in-game settings. Open Roblox and join any game first. Once the game loads, tap on the Roblox icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings. Here, look for the camera mode option. By default, it is set to default or follow. Change the camera mode to Classic. Once you switch it to Classic, close the Settings menu. Now Shift Lock will appear and work properly in your game. If you are playing on PC, you can press the Shift key to toggle Shift Lock. On mobile devices, the Shift Lock button will appear on the screen after enabling Classic camera mode. Shift Lock is useful because it locks the camera behind your character and makes movement easier. It helps with better control during combat, parkour, and precise movements. Many players think Shift Lock is removed, but it is usually disabled because of camera settings. If you still do not see Shift Lock, try leaving the game and joining again after changing the camera mode. This refreshes the settings and applies the changes properly. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Roblox tips and fixes.